Hello everyone, how are you? This is me, Ahmad Hussein. You are watching me on Oxygen Academy. So today we are going to start our beautiful and amazing course just dedicated guys for you, the ultimate course for pronunciation. I will take you from zero to hero. I will let you pronounce English like a pro. So what could you expect me to teach you in this course? During this course, I'll teach you all the things related to pronunciations from IPA, International Phonetic Alphabets, the 44 sound of English, connected speech, how to can understand native speaker, how do they sound, what the tricks they do, how to can understand fast English, everything you need to know about pronunciation. So you will be able to differentiate and pronounce any word. I'm literally going to say any word you will face in English. Okay? So let's start together to understand something very important before we go deeply to those sounds. First thing first, what is the difference between those three beautiful things? Pronunciation, dialect, and accent. That's very good, really good question. Let's get started together. The first one is about pronunciation. What is the meaning of pronunciation? Pronunciation refers to the way words are spoken, and that's include the sound of letters and stress the syllable in each word. And it can vary widely even within the same language. Let's go to number two, a dialect. So what is a dialect? A dialect is a regional or social variety of a language, and it is characterized by distinct vocabulary, grammar, and even, in some cases, a way of pronunciation. Dialect can be specific to certain geographic areas or social groups. Lastly, accent. Accent very simply is the way of pronouncing certain words, and that is usually influenced by the native people of that language. Okay, so by understanding this, we need to understand that pronunciation is something very general. However, if you live, for example, in a certain place in the world, maybe you will be able to obtain this dialect or maybe speaking in the people accent. English, one of the languages that has a lot of accent. The most common ones are the British one and the American one. Here we will try to cover more about the American one. Okay, so let's start with IBA. So what is IBA? As I told you guys, IBA stands for International Phonetic Alphabets. And it is like the map for anyone who wants to master the pronunciation of English. So it just shows for you all the sound produced in English. You know how many sounds do we have in English? Take a look and think about it. Right, we have 44 sound. Yes, those beautiful 26 letters produce for us 44 beautiful sound. It differs from consonant sound and vowel sound. And with this combination of sound, that is usually what it makes syllables, and those syllables make a whole word. Okay, so we will try to make similarities between the most common sound together, put them together to see how we can produce them without any problems, get more examples, get them in context, so we can understand them very deeply without any problem. So I want just you to please subscribe and follow me. If you have any comment, if you have anything, please just let me know. All you need to do, just grab your coffee, pay attention, and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.